Thank you, sir. And I have to say, it's truly an honor. As I say, I speak on behalf of Dharma Productions and AA Films. It's an honor to showcase your film and bring it to this part of the country. And more than anything else, I think not only does it pushes the cinema envelope, but it creates new territory for celluloid. And I think it makes every cinegoer and every Indian to be a proud part of your vision. So thank you very much for bringing the film to us.
Surprisingly, the story part we finished it quite quickly. 2.5 months to 3 months, we had the whole script on our hands. But from then onwards, doing the concept sketches, doing the pre-visualization work, setting up the locations, building the sets. It took the whole 2.5 years because we were continuously doing. We took almost 1 year for the pre-production. But even after the shooting started, we kept on doing. In fact, the concept artists who started at the beginning of the film, even after the shooting is over 3 months back, they are still in our office working on the visual effects look and feel of the film.
ऐसी फिल्में बहुत कम बनती हैं, शायद बनी ही नहीं हिंदुस्तान में. मैंने ये विजन, मैं ज़्यादा कहूँगा तो लोग कहेंगे कि मैं पागल हो चुका हूँ, लेकिन ऐसी विजन मैंने मुगल आज़म में देखी है जिसमें एक इमोशनल है, कनेक्ट है और एक स्केल और ऑप्यूलेंस है. उसके बाद मैंने शायद ही मुझे ऐसी मटेरियल मैंने देखी हो जिसने मुझे पर्सनली इतना इमोशनली चार्ज किया है.
I wanted to work with Rajmouli. I already did 10 years before film called Chhatrapati. And 6 years before he told me about, like, I'm going to do a very big film with you. 4 years before, 3.5 years before, he said, we're doing this script called Bahubali. And I'm so excited. And he told me, like, it'll take a lot of time. And you know, this is once in a lifetime film. You can't get it again. And I'm lucky to be part of this film and I want to do it. Thank you.
Yes, a lot of it has been inspired by Mahabharata. Not just this film, all my films have been inspired by Mahabharata and Ramayana because those are the two epics that have been fed into me right from my childhood. So it is not like, okay, let's take one character of Mahabharata and let's put it there. It's not that kind of inspiration, but the emotional connect is, yes, from those epics.
I think that's the reason Rajmouli called and picked me for this film. And what you see right now is actually a shrunken down version of me. I was 25 kilos heavier than this. And yes, and that prep went on for about 6 or 8 months even before we started the film. And yeah, so it was rigorous training, lots of martial arts and all of that. And a special credit to a man called Peter Hens who did the action of the film. He got a bunch of Vietnamese trainers for both of us who were living with us for 3 months, didn't speak our language but just used to whack us and get us up and running.